Hello everyone, as you can see, today I'm gonna do a leak test. This car has been overheating. Usually when you turn the heater all the way, the car doesn't heat up, doesn't warm up inside, but the temperature gauge rise up and the car start reheating. So to start off, I came over here. I saw this. I don't know if you guys can see it. Like, it's all wet. Like a lot of coolant right there. See, it's green. If we go on the bottom, you guys can see there's a lot of coolant leak. It's like this car has been leaking a lot. It's the fan. Here's the other coolant hoses, the bottom that goes to the bottom. And as you can see, it's from there, but I'm not sure from where it's leaking. So I got my coolant leak pressure test tool. So as you can see, I use number 8 right there. So just find your adapter, make sure it fits really tight in here. So just put it on here. As you can see, this just after you find the adapter, you just put it like that and hook this up. And the gauge, you have this pump right here, so you just pump pressure here. The gauge, you want to put around 15 to 20 psi. 15 to 20 psi. And you can see, I just noticed that this hose is leaking really bad. It's like just bubbling right there. You can just see it, see? And apparently it's leaking from this top hoses right there, the top hose. So yeah, a lot of air escaping, so the car is not building pressure enough. So we're gonna tighten those up, tight this top hose and see if it builds pressure again. And after you tighten them, just quickly run another pressure test. And if it doesn't, we might just have to replace these clamps right there, all 4 of them, because it has a really severe coolant leak. So apparently the hoses are new. The customers say that they replaced the hoses and the clamps and everything, but I don't know, I think those are cheap. And then if tightening up doesn't work, probably gonna have to buy new ones. And there's a whole mess, whole coolant leak down there. Alright, and thank you everyone for watching.